Hello everyone, this is Graham here with Exquisite Timepieces. Welcome to a presentation of this Jaquet Droz bird repeater Alpine View. This watch is hand engraved and hand painted with a white mother of pearl dial and sundial. This bird repeater sports an 18 karat white gold case. The birds that you see in the watch are hand engraved and hand painted as well. And in fact, the birds do have an automation feature, in which I'll show right now. And that's it. This Jaquet Droz bird repeater is for sale online at exquisitetimepieces.com and is priced at $399,000. Thank you for watching.